Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Facebook Reels option not showing problem. To fix the missing Facebook Reels options, first of all, you want to ensure your Facebook app is up to date and your internet connection is stable. In order to check for an update, head over to your respective app store and on the search bar, you want to type in Facebook. If you locate Facebook and update next to it, that means app needs to be updated. After completely updating the app, you could also try checking your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So you want to go and swipe down and click on the internet and make sure to restart it. That might be able to help. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is then you could restart the app. That means you could close the app completely from the background. And then you want to locate Facebook, long press, go to the app info section. And at the same time, what you also want to do is here, come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. Just do this and that might be able to help. However, if the issue still persists on and you're not able to fix it, then what you could do is the other thing, you could also try checking your compatibility. Sometimes devices could not be compatible enough, and likewise the other way you could do is reinstall the app. That can also be a helpful way to fix it. But these are some of the ways to fix Facebook Reels option not showing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.